boys and girls, for science today, our objectives are right up here on the board. We have verbally justify weather terms within your table groups. What kind of weather am I talking about? Cole?
Really bad weather?
Oh, maybe bad weather. Am I talking about what it's like outside or whether or not we're going to have recess today? Jose?
Like whether we're not going to have weather, how it is outside.
Weather, how it is outside today. Good. We're going to role play various weather parts. That's going to be fun. And then we're going to create a weather dictionary using different weather terms. Right now in your science notebooks, I want you to draw with only a pencil your favorite weather picture. So if you like the sunshine the best, I want you to draw sunshine. If you like a tornado the best, draw a big tornado. Go ahead and quietly do that. You have 30 seconds. Okay, I'm hearing way too many voices. Zach, thanks for raising your hand. Jordan, you look like you're working really hard over there. I'm seeing some good ideas. Okay, and let's put our pencils down. 30 seconds is up. Raise your hand if you drew the sun. I had a feeling a lot of people would draw the sun, and personally, if I was going to draw, I would draw the sun. Good job. Anybody draw a thunderstorm? Nobody drew a thunderstorm? Anna? Anna, can you stand up and act out a thunderstorm for us? If you want to choose someone else to do it, you can.
Jillian.
Go ahead, Jillian.
What? Okay.
Okay, excellent. Good job, Jillian. What did she do that portrayed a thunderstorm, Lauren? Okay, she was loud. What else did she do? Elijah.
She was making a thunder banging.
She was making banging noises like thunder. Can anyone portray a snowflake falling for us? Zachary Carlson. Good, Zachary. What did he do? What did Zachary do to show snowflakes falling? Sam.
He moved his fingers down.
He moved his fingers down, and how did they sound to you, Keegan?
Quiet.
Quiet. Look outside the window. Is the snow making any noise? No, not at all. Okay, pencils are down. We are going to break up into groups. And in your groups, I am going to give you cards. Mrs. Segru, can you come up here for 1 second? You are going to take one card out of your pile and try and find the match with a partner at your table. So mine says snowy. Mrs. Segru, can you pick a card? A picture card? Okay, Mrs. Segru picked a card to match my word snowy. Hers has pictures of snowflakes and wind blowing with the sun shining. Do you think that's a good match? Yeah. What if mine said hurricane? Would that be a good match? No. So we're going to break up into groups. Mrs. Segru is going to come around and pass out your cards, and you can quietly get started in your groups matching up your cards. Once you have them all matched up, raise your hand so we can come around and check. What should your voices sound like? Marcella? Quiet. Nothing above a 3-inch voice. Okay? Okay, once you get your cards, you can quietly go ahead and get started.
Okay, so the students now are going to work in their groups to match up their cards, and when they're all done, they're going to have just an independent practice where I hand them a dictionary card, and they go through and define each word in their own terms and draw a little picture of the card. And when it's all done, they can cut out the cards and glue it together like a little dictionary, and they will have their dictionary book of weather to take home with them. And that's it.
Okay, boys and girls, I see some pencils moving. Cole, they need to be down, flat on your desk. I'm going to pass out your paper to make your dictionary. When you get your paper, you will see all of our vocabulary terms listed. We have drought, hurricane, blizzard, lightning, cloudy, snowy, cold, hot, and tornado, and then your cover that says My Weather Dictionary. You are going to be the author of this dictionary. You are going to design it. So when you get it, I want you to write a definition for each word in one sentence using your own describing words. Let's just talk about drought. What kind of describing words would we want to use for drought? May?
Dry.
Dry, that's a good one. What else? Jose? I'll come back. Hot, good. Now, Shin? Did you forget? Any other words? Lauren? Dried up, good. Sam?
Worn out.
Worn out, maybe? Okay, so you're going to use your own describing words to write your definition for each weather term, and then you can draw a little picture using your colored pencils or crayons. When you're all finished, I want you to cut out each card and put it together as a book, and we will come around and staple it for you as a book. Can someone repeat the directions back to me? Now, Shin.
You have to write the definition, then you draw a little picture, then you have to cut it out, and then with someone.
Excellent. Now, Shin, she said you need to write a definition, and I think she even meant to say in a complete sentence, draw a picture, cut out your cards, make a book, put it in a book form, and then we will come around and staple it. Are there any questions? Marcella?
Are we going to share it like a whole group?
We will share it as a whole group after we're all finished. Good question. Any other questions? Okay, we're going to come around and pass out your cards to you. Jose? I'll talk to you in 1 minute. Okay. Boys and girls.
Okay, this is the finished product from an ESL student, and you can see she has her title here, My Dictionary of Weather. And if you flip through, she used keywords to describe drought and drew a picture. And then blizzard. Again, using keywords cold, windy, snowy, cloudy, blocking the sun, cold, tornado, hurricane. She used the words windy and cold and dangerous. Lightning, dangerous again, and bright yellow, comes from the ground. Snowy, she used the color white, and again cold. And hot, warm weather, with the chances people will swim. So she really focused on using a lot of keywords, and I think she did a nice job with her drawings to depict the weather definitions.